This is everything you need to know to install wainscoting. Hi, my name is Kwong. Painting the walls can change the feel of your room, but adding texture by wainscoting will take it to the next level. Let's get into it. First thing to do is to measure where the panel is to go on the wall. So I'm marking 900mm off the floor using a tape measure and using my spirit level, drawing a line across the wall. Now work out how many panels you need and which panels you will need to cut. Before you remove the skirting board, you need to score the junction between the wall and the skirting board so not to damage the existing paintwork. Next, we'll remove the skirting board by using a chisel with a hammer and a crowbar if needed to. You need to nail the panels into the stud. So using the stud finder, find the stud. Once you've found it, use a pencil, put a mark on it, or a piece of masking tape will do. The MDF's already at a good height. All I've got to do now is cut it to length, measure it, and make sure the joints will be covered by the trims later. If you need to join two pieces together, use a Mitre saw and set it at 45 degrees. Cut it and check for fit. You can do the same if you need to take the two pieces around the corner at 90 degrees. Now we're going to install our panels one at a time by applying adhesive to the back of the panel. Next, nail the panel to the wall and make sure it's level. Now you can fix the chair rail to the wall, put glue at the back of it and stick it on. Make sure it's level and nail it to the studs. Now you can fit the skirting board just like you did with the top rails. Now insert the vertical trims. They'll cover the gaps and create the pattern. Check the level and plumb. Using some filler, fill in all the nail holes, wait for it to completely dry and then sand over. It should almost completely disappear. If there are any gaps in the panels and the trims, use a caulking gun and filler, fill them. Now it's time to paint. Put some painter's tape on the wall to keep neat. Use a paintbrush, brush on the top rails and the trims and areas where you can't reach by the roller. Fill in the rest with the roller. And there you have it. Wainscoting will take your room to the next level.